Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add clickable links to a Tableau tooltip. I'm going to use a source of data that I put together from a web page on the internet. I'll share the link in the notes below. And the data is regarding newspapers from various countries. It was a list of top 10 newspapers. So we've got a location and we've got a website. So we're gonna do a map and put this data on there. So we're going to put the longitude across there, the latitude there, and we're going to put the name as the colour, and then we're going to put the number and the address into the tooltip. And let's have a look at the tooltip. Okay, so here's the tooltip. Let's do some formatting up here. Put the name. Make it a little bit bigger. We're going to bold it. Oh, it's already bold. Stick it in the center. And we don't need the latitude and longitude on the pop-up. And I'll just move this down. And we'll change this to the ranking. Alright, so that's fine. And as you can see, when we click on an address, we get some details of that newspaper. Okay, so the trick we need to do is we need to create an action. And the action is go to URL, and it has a name that we can up here. We'll say website. We can have it on any sheet, or we can say all sheets. And we're going to say on menu, keep that as it is. The URL we are going to say is the website. Now in this data set we've got a complete website, but should you need to add any other information, such as some sort of details on the end, what have you, or HTTPS at the start, that can be done here too. And we will say OK. And there we go. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is if we just drag website onto the detail, have a look. Now when we click on there, we can see we've got the website, and if we click on the website, it jumps up to the appropriate website. Now, one other thing is if we go back to that action and modify it, see this website was the description that came up on the card, or on the tooltip. We can also put the data from the data point on there. So in this instance, I'll just call it website. So now when we click onto a card, we can click on that link and it'll take us to that website. And that's about it. Fairly simple once you know all the steps. This should work whether or not we have a dashboard. We can put that same sheet on our dashboard. We can select any of those, and off it goes. And of course you may want to within your sheet, you might want to put an extra space towards the bottom, just so that it separates the link when you click on it. And of note, you have to click on the link and hold the link before this will show. It doesn't show on the normal flyover without clicking on the link. And that's it. Thank you very much.